You can't see it on the camera, but over there is a zip wire, and it goes from over there all the way down there, down to the old Tower Colliery. So we're on the Rhigos mountain, South Wales, and there's Tim, looking good on the 1200. You can see the difference, can't you? I've had my bike lowered, but look at the difference in the height. Anyway, we'll catch you in a minute because Tim is itching to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually on our way to a cafe where we're going to have a stonking breakfast, 14 cups of tea or coffee, and a Mars bar. Not. It's 9:30 in the morning. I can't believe Tim got me up so early. Over the cattle grid. Boing. So Tim has taken us on a bit of a detour from the norm here, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce that word, but there, Astrafelta or something. It's, anyway, and I suspect the roads are going to be like this all the way. Where does it come out, Tim? Ah, right, okay. Ah, okay. So, yeah, this is something different. I don't think I've been up here before, so a new one for me. I do know that there's a waterfall up here somewhere, but it's a bit of a hike from the road. Some nice houses here, like a farm. So we are actually trying to decide where exactly to go next year on holidays. Probably in May. So any ideas for somewhere in the UK is quite welcome. Oh, hang on. Okay. Cheers. See the hill start control there? Completely expert, eh? There are something waterfalls. Tim has just said we haven't seen the best yet. So let's see what's coming. Dogging. Okay. Alright. That's the waterfalls, half a mile that way. We're going up here because we're hungry. We're the Sweeney and we haven't had any breakfast, as Regan said. Pity that Rob and Ian couldn't come out today. Yeah, Ian, if you're watching, mate, I think you've wimped out. All we're hearing is excuses. Okay, so Tim has informed me I have been along here before, but I can't remember. I am a little bit like a goldfish, though. Oh, look at this house here they're doing up. Or houses, by the looks of it. Well, for the life of me, I'm told that I've been here before, but I just cannot remember. It's not a fast route, but very well, can be if you're suicidal. Wow. Oh. Hello. Ah. Look, all our friends. Actually, I remember the spit now. I remember the spit. It's I'm sure there was a bloke camping out here once. And Rob doesn't know what he's missing. I think the problem is, Tim, that Rob and Ian, they just can't get out of bed in the mornings. Well, what, you like 1 minute to midday, you mean? Bit of wild camping going on there in his van. Bit of van life. There's a standing stone. Yeah, that's a Celtic Stonehenge. Yeah. There's another van life here. Wonder what's been going on in there overnight. Yeah. Oh, look at the mist over there. Ah, yes. I remember yeah. We got a sharp left-hand bend here, and it's, yeah. In fact, I can remember coming down here, and I think coming the other way, there was a Tesla. And I said, I don't like those, the front of them, they look like a bathtub. Well, you don't want to come off here, do you? Do you know what, viewers? If it wasn't for the fact that I had a motorbike, I probably would never have been along a road like this. This is not somewhere I even travel to with work. Yeah. So, Glanusk Services, thank you very much. We had a nice brekkie in there. And yet again, let's get out of here. Yeah. Yet again, I forgot to show you what I had. But what I had was scrambled egg on brown bread and 2 sausages. It was very nice. Tim had the full English, the works. Wow. Yeah. I think I got that on camera. Well, temperature is a toasty 12 degrees and perfect biking weather, really. You know, no wet stuff. Nice roads, not too much traffic. What an awesome day out. That farmyard smell. What are they doing there? Like paragliding? Wow. Very interesting. Very interesting. There's a bird with them and all. Yeah, as Tim just pointed out then, got Penavan up there. Covered in cloud. Oh, look, my GoPro has just given up the ghost, Tim. Yeah. Battery's gone. This is a bit like being at Hard Knock Pass all over again. Look at that. Very nice. We came back from Scotland over Ambleside and Kirkstone Pass and all that. Went to Coniston Water. Did you say you're recording the route plan, I think? Be nice if you could send that later. So here we are, from the mountains to the sea. We're back in Porthcawl. No ride out would be complete without a coffee in Porthcawl at the end of it. And I would just like to say thank you for watching. If you've been watching this small video, Tim says thank you as well. And there's the sea, very overcast today. Yeah, there's Devon over there. So anyway, I'll say goodbye now, and again, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye now.